Hello and welcome to yet another brand new episode of Kolkata Series. In this one, I'll virtually take you to one of Kolkata's new busiest spot called CHINAR Park. By the way, CHINAR Park is not a park, to be precise. It's a very popular commercial as well as residential area in Rajarhat. CHINAR Park is placed near the junction of Rajarhat Main Road with Bishwa Bangla Sarani. Situated close to the airport, CHINAR Park is in the influence areas of Tegharia, Rajarhat, Kaikhali and Baguyati. The locality has witnessed steady residential development consisting of a mix of various developed and developing apartment complexes. CHINAR Park has wonderful road connectivity with well-known places like Eco Park, Mother's Wax Museum, New Town, Salt Lake Sector 5, Tegoria Loknath Temple, Haldiram on VIP Road, Kolkata Airport, etc. Also surrounded by popular stores and malls like Spencer's, Big Bazaar, Brand Factory, City Center 2 and a lot of classy hotels and restaurants, CHINAR Park is fast becoming an increasingly popular hub for both commercial and non-commercial investors. The price range of a 2 BHK flat for sale in CHINAR Park area is available within Rs 15 lakhs to Rs 52 lakhs. The place remains as much vibrant in the night time as it is during daytime, with plenty of urban sophistications to spend your time at. If any of you is on the lookout for a decent habitable area with all modern facilities, then CHINAR Park would be definitely a great option that you can go for. Well, let me now take you on a journey to CHINAR Park from Rajarhat DLF and Akanksha areas. As I already told you that since the airport is located in close proximity, one can see random flights from afternoon till dusk, flying at a very low height. Therefore, don't be scared when you find an aircraft suddenly whizzing past right above your head. Let's take a look at some of these head-hitting flights. If you are at the Spencer's store or opposite to that, you'll observe such low altitude flights at frequent intervals. The same can also be observed from a long distance too, like from Rajarhat Eco Park areas. So friends, I hope this video has provided you with all the vital informations in short about the place and entertained you as well. Give it a thumbs up if you like it and do subscribe to the channel to make it grow. Thanks for watching. Till I meet you in the next episode of Kolkata Series. Stay well, safe and take care. Bye.